Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make my tuna and potatoes croquettes. Some people may call it bullet, pomme de terre et thon. This is how we call it in Mauritius. First ingredient, we're gonna need some potatoes. I have boiled my potatoes. I left the skin on. You can definitely just peel the skin. We're gonna need some tuna. Canned tuna. I have already drained the water or the oil or whatever is in the can. Just drain it nicely. We need some plain flour. We need some chopped coriander, chopped green onion, finely diced onion, salt and pepper, some breadcrumbs, some egg. We also need oil for frying. Now first thing I'm gonna do is just mash the potatoes. I'm using a fork. You can use a potato masher. I want to leave the skins. I'm using golden potatoes and the skin are very fine skins. There's a very fine and smooth soft skin to it, so I think leaving the skin is okay, but depending what potatoes you're using, then the skin is like for fried potatoes. For French fries, then you have to peel it. Now add the tuna to the potatoes. Add all the herbs and the onion. Just a little bit of salt. Tuna already had salt, so just a little bit for the potatoes and black pepper. And I'm gonna add the flour just little by little first. So I'm gonna add like about 2 tablespoons first, and I'm gonna use the fork or just use a spoon and just keep mixing, or you can just do this by hand. Now mix until combined, and if I need more flour, I'm gonna add more flour. Nice and smooth, looks creamy. It is so smooth, it's not creamy, there's no creams, there's no milk in it. And I end up adding 2 more tablespoons of flour. I'm using plain all-purpose flour. So in total for 2 cans of tuna, I have used 4 tablespoons of flour. But again, depending on your potatoes, if you think you need more flour until it's not sticky in your hand, then you can add more flour. So now the fun part. Okay, I'm gonna start making the croquette. I'm gonna form this into croquette. I'm gonna do all of them into croquette first, but in the meantime you can preheat the oil over medium-low heat, and then after that we're gonna dip them into egg and breadcrumbs. Now I did not add any salt in my egg because the breadcrumbs will have salt, and we already have a little bit salt in this mixture, and tuna has a little bit salt as well. So yeah, just shape them into nice croquette just like that. I'm gonna do all of them first, and then we're gonna move to the next step. I have done all the croquettes ready, shape them, and then I have my egg beaten over here, my breadcrumbs, and I have a plate empty, and the oil is preheating over low heat. Slightly dip in the egg and in the breadcrumbs. Okay, and then we're gonna just set them on a plate. I'm gonna do all of them, and then we're gonna go fry them. Okay guys, make sure the heat is over medium-low. This has to fry over medium-low. Gently, so it doesn't break. You can always put them like in the fridge for 1 hour, half an hour before you fry them. They stay as is in shape. I'm gonna fry this in probably 2 batches. Just use a fork and flip them around, but just be careful. This will take about 3 minutes to fry, or until completely fry and have a nice golden color. This is looking so good, beautiful. Okay, now it's time to get them out, drain the oil, and then we're gonna fry the rest. Have a plate ready with paper towel to absorb the excess oil, and then it's almost ready to eat. This one is so good in here. I wish you can smell my kitchen right now. Get some ketchup ready, get some hot sauce ready, get some sweet and hot sauce ready, get some any kind of dipping sauce will go with this. Try it, and as a written ingredient will be in the description box. It doesn't take too long to make, it doesn't require too many ingredients, and it is so easy to make. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.